Here is our model number 245, UPFC related lagging and leading power factor display. Before that, let us try to understand what is the power factor. Power factor, all of us know that it's a ratio of the true power versus the apparent power. True power is VI cos phi, whereas apparent power is VI only. But the current, when it lags behind the voltage, we call it lagging power factor, and while the current leads the voltage, it's a leading power factor. We would like to observe these two in context to UPFC so as to understand how the things happen. For this purpose, we have taken one inductor here, a normal tube light choke, and we've taken a set of capacitors to either switch on the capacitors across the supply or the choke across the supply. However, the choke cannot be used directly across the supply because this is a 40-watt tube light choke. To minimize the cost, it has been taken in that concept. So this choke has been used in series with a lamp so that the inductive effect of this choke is taken into consideration. Then we have a voltage transformer powering the circuit also, and a current transformer which is to measure the current. The beauty here in the circuit is that we try to measure the time difference between the voltage and current, and when it is leading and when it is lagging has been all displayed in our setup here. The other arrangement that we have here is certain back-to-back SCRs, 2 SCRs, 2, 2 and 2. So about 8 SCRs, 4 pairs back-to-back for switching in the inductive load or the capacitive load. Now you can see here, now we have switched on an inductive load, and the switch position what we have indicated here, there is the lag position, there is the lead position. And of course this is, we will come to later, this is for the unity power factor, whereas the other one is for the capacitor and inductor power factor. So now it gives us with one choke, it gives us a power factor reading of 0.61, where I is lagging 2 to 3 millisecond, lagging power factor here. Now if I put one more lamp here, we find the power factor is bad. It is going to 0.32 lag, that we can notice here. So the lagging power factor is indicated this way. Instead of adding one more choke, we can put one more lamp in series, and in the process we can see how the power factor is changing. Now once we change over to the leading mode, we take it to the leading mode, what we find that it will indicate us the leading power factor, where we find there are two capacitors. This capacitor for this back-to-back SCR and another capacitor for this back-to-back SCR, and that's how we get 0.61 lead, and we have programmed in such a way that this goes on switching one after another capacitors in parallel, so that we find how much the leading takes place. Now after 1 it went to 2, after into 3, now about 0.8 lead, and the time also is shown is about 1 to 2 millisecond as far as the leading time is concerned. This is how we try to understand the power factor, both leading and lagging. Now the next option is that we can even switch on the lamp load this way. Once we switch on the lamp load in the lagging condition switch, what we notice that this will find that the power factor has gone to 1, because in a lamp load the power factor is 1. It's a linear load. Thank you.